So when I first seen this doll, I seen it had different characters. And I liked the little clothes it had and all the accessories. So I got it for my daughter. And it turns out it's pretty big. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. So it comes with these little shoes that you could put on. It comes with the dress that it's wearing, and it comes with another dress. So you could change it. The little feet move, the arms move, and it has this little thing. So we'll open that and see what it is. But look at the detail, look at the hair. Look how nice, the fabric's really nice material. So, really nice doll.